Now we'll understand the functional area of the cerebrum. Okay, first we'll understand the structure of human brain. जब हम ब्रेन की स्टडी करते हैं, so we use the word encephalology. मतलब study of any part or any aspects of brain is called as encephalology. और brain को हमने divide किया into forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. जो forebrain है, it is again divided into major part. That's the olfactory cerebrum. Olfactory is related with olfaction. Okay, so you should not forget. Olfaction का मतलब है, it's talking about the smell. Olfaction word means smell. So when you see your forebrain is divided functionally, or we can say is, you can go through this ray diagram. Here it is more easy. यहाँ पे दिखाया है olfactory lobe है, then you have the cerebrum, and then you have this diencephalon. 3 part है forebrain का, that's the olfactory, then cerebrum and then diencephalon. So ये आप अलग से बनाएंगे. We are going to make this ray diagram separate. So this is the first part of your brain. So let's understand what is this olfactory. तो ज़रा ध्यान से देखेंगे. These are highly reduced. Textbook should be open with you while you don't have to put your eyes on the mobile. आप textbook में पढ़ेंगे olfactory lobes के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं. Highly reduced in human brain. Reduced मतलब उसका structure developed नहीं है. It is not properly developed. And it is covered by cerebrum from all the sides. अगर देखने में देखा जाएगा तो कैसे बनता है. This is how the structure of olfactory lobe is formed. मतलब this is the peduncle and this is the bulb. So you have the 2 parts in it. olfactory lobe का जो ऊपर का हिस्सा है उसको हम बोलते हैं olfactory bulb, और जो नीचे का extended part है उसको बोलते हैं olfactory peduncle. Okay, this is the reduced form. Humans have it very reduced compared to some animals. Okay, dogs have well developed olfactory lobes. Now the next one is the cerebrum, second part of your forebrain. Now remember, encephalology is related with brain. So 4 को हम you should not get confused. forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. ठीक है, तो हम उसको relate कैसे करेंगे. encephalon के साथ PRO ऐड करेंगे, prosencephalon. ठीक है, that is forebrain. एग्जाम में ज़रूरी नहीं है मिड ब्रेन आए, mesencephalon आ सकता है. तो you should not get confused. mesencephalon means mid brain. And hindbrain you call it as rhombencephalon. So you have to learn these 3 names: prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon. Encephalon means the brain, pro means forebrain, 4. Okay, mesen means mid, rhomb means hind. So brain is divided into prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon. Encephalon is the brain. So we have forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. So जो forebrain है, it is divided into 3. rhinencephalon जिसको हम बोलते हैं olfactory lobes, and the second one is the cerebrum telencephalon. telen इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो extreme में, अब मैं अगर diagram बनाऊंगी तो बाहर है cerebrum, जो है बाहर region है, curves के साथ. हमारे brain में curves हैं ऐसे, right? When you talk about the curves like this, these curves are very important for you to remember. जो cerebrum है, जैसे हमने पढ़ा था 11th में, you have learned adrenal gland. So outside region is called the cortex, and inside region, ये जो inside है, it's called as the medulla. So every organ inside a body, it is again divided the similar way. So when you see cerebrum, बहुत ध्यान से ये देखेंगे. Can you see this part? The outer surface of cerebrum is called cerebral cortex, and the deep inside it's called as cerebral medulla. Cerebrum cortex grey matter का बना हुआ है, and medulla is made up of white matter. So forebrain का पहला पार्ट था olfactory lobe, दूसरा पार्ट है cerebrum. Cerebrum का मतलब the biggest part of your brain, जो यहाँ पे आपके डायग्राम में यहाँ पे दिखाया हुआ है. दिस इज़ द cerebrum, स्पेशली शोन टिल हियर. ये जो इतना हिस्सा दिख रहा है ना आपको, दिस इज़ cerebrum. So what is cerebrum? It is the largest part of the brain. कम से कम 85% आपका ब्रेन का cerebrum कवर अप करता है. And it is divided into two parts, left and right. So we understand this once again. The central nervous system is made up of your brain and spinal cord, जो कि सेंटर में लोकेटेड है. ब्रेन कहाँ पे है? इनसाइड योर स्कल. अब यहाँ पे बहुत ध्यान से देखो, ब्रेन का जो ये उठा हुआ हिस्सा है, ओके, आई विल सी दैट. दिस इज़ द सैजिटल सेक्शन, जो कि आपको दिखा रहा है सेरिब्रम, सेरिबेलम, डायनसेफलॉन, मिड ब्रेन, पॉन्स, मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा. ओके, यू हैव डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. फिलहाल ये जो ऊपर से दिख रहा है, इट इज़ सेरिब्रम. दो हिस्सा है, देखो, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ द लेफ्ट एंड राइट कॉर्टेक्स. सो नाउ द फंक्शनल एरिया ऑफ सेरिब्रम. सो फंक्शनल एरिया में 4 पार्ट्स हैं, जो कि आपके पेज 192 में और डिटेल्ड है. फ्रंटल, पैराइटल, टेम्पोरल एंड ऑसिपिटल. सो इट्स ईजी. फ्रंटल मीन्स रीजनिंग. Then the parietal, that's talking about your feeling, sensation, okay. Then temporal, आपको जितना सुनाई देता है वो hearing से related, and the occipital, vision से related. So just remember this much, that will help you a lot. So ये क्या थे? cerebrum के part थे. So next is the cerebellum. Cerebellum is the smallest, but it is the largest part, जो दूसरा हिस्सा है. But right now we'll stop it over here. आपके सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से when you actually count in, central system has brain and your spinal cord. So where is your spinal cord located? When you see this is a vertebral column in front of you. So uske andar it is located inside this, which is connecting to your entire body. So it's a link between your brain and your other part of the body. So if this spinal cord is not there, see, this spinal cord is visible, this structure is shown, it is protected inside the vertebral column. उसमें भी divisions हैं, depending upon the which bone it is surrounded by, like that. So your brain is coordinated with the help of spinal cord, with the help of your entire body's peripheral system. Peripheral means bahar ka system. We are going to learn that later, but right now just understand your brain is divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain matlab prosencephalon, which is again divided into 3 parts. One, olfactory lobes. Second, cerebrum. Third, it's diencephalon. Okay, so you're going to make a ray diagram so that the explanation will be more easy. And you'll write at least 2 points. Olfactory lobes के बारे में 2 point लिखो. Cerebrum के बारे में at least 4 points लिखो, because you have to write largest part of the brain, 85% of the total brain. It is divided into left and right hemisphere. It has got deep fissures. इसमें ऐसे उठा हुआ भी है, एंड डिप्रेशन भी है. लेट्स सी दिस रेस्ड पोर्शन, व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज गायरी. ओके, GYRI. जब गायरी है तो ये जो डिप्रेशन है, यहाँ पे जो डिप्रेशन दिख रहा है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सल्काई, सल्कस, SULCUS. Sulci and sulcus is plural and singular. Okay. Sulcus is again various, that is dividing it into the temporal, parietal and सारा division करता कौन सा sulcus है? So we have center sulcus, parieto-occipital sulcus, sylvian sulcus and all. So we'll understand those also. But right now just understand human brain. Study of human brain is called as encephalology. Divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain को बोलते हैं proencephalon, midbrain को बोलते हैं mesencephalon, hindbrain को बोलते हैं rhombencephalon. और जो forebrain है, it is again divided into olfactory lobe, then cerebrum and diencephalon. Okay, so make sure this much is learned before we go to the next video.